Welcome to the Daily Dare. Honestly, how many times have you found yourself thinking, yeah, I should be grateful, and felt shameful that you aren't? And how many times did you start a gratitude journal and give it up soon after because it didn't cause you to overflow in joy and love as many wise teachers suggested it might? Or do you find your gratitude exercise like a shopping list? It's something that you just check off. Health, check. Happy kids, check. Roof over my head, check. You're doing the exercise in your head, but not actually feeling the gratitude in your heart. Implementing a gratitude practice can be really hard, and there are good reasons for this, which unfortunately aren't often spoken about. So let's start with the most common reasons that make practicing gratitude so hard. And the first one is expectation and pressure. Shoulds and musts are imperatives and the source of a great deal of unnecessary negative emotion. Having to versus wanting to do something are very different from a motivational point of view and also have a very different emotional response. When we think we need or must do something, it implies that we're not complete without it. But this is not true in regard to gratitude. Who says we have to be grateful? Who says we're not complete when we are not grateful? So with that said, take the pressure off yourself to be grateful. You don't have to be. It doesn't add or take away from your value, nor does it make you a better or worse person. So don't force it. If you feel it could add value to the quality of your life, if you feel it's something that you will benefit from, by all means go for it. But do it because you want to do it, not because you feel you have to. Sometimes it also helps to change the words we use. Many people find saying, I'm grateful for X, Y, and Z, shifting them automatically into a state of should and must. So why not change that? How about saying, I enjoy living in this house so much, or seeing my kids makes me smile, makes me feel like I'm a good parent, or when I watch my spouse prepare dinner, I feel so at home. This change in language alone can make a major difference in how you experience gratitude. The second point is that it just doesn't feel right. Have you ever consciously thought about something you are grateful for, and at the same moment a feeling of fear or sadness or shame came over you? Welcome to the world of your core beliefs and worries. Many people feel like they don't deserve what they have. If this resonates with you, even in the slightest, I want to encourage you to take a moment and really ask yourself if you believe you deserve these things. This insight can be a gift, because if you find you don't believe you deserve what you have, it means you now have the chance to question this belief and practice a new one. Another worry that likes to sneak up is, what if I lose it? You think about how grateful you are for your partner or your kids, and the next moment you feel a jolt of fear because right after feeling grateful, you worry about what if you lose that thing that you're grateful for. But it doesn't have to be like this. The first step is noticing that this is your anxious mind talking, and then diffusing this fear by saying something like, I can't control the future, but right now, in this moment, they are here and they are healthy. I am grateful for them and enjoy their presence right now. You can also be grateful for the past, if you like. Think about all the wonderful moments you have spent with your loved ones, the joy, the laughter, the love. The past can't be taken from you. That has happened. Another thing that likes to get in our way is our monkey mind. It loves to play things down and take everything we have for granted. For example, you think about how grateful you are for the fresh glass of water you just drank, and then your monkey mind says, oh, come on, that's just water, nothing special. Everyone I know has water. We all have a monkey mind that chit-chats away like this, so don't be alarmed and don't let it stand in your way. A really good way to tune out your monkey mind and make the feeling of gratitude more real is to focus on the physicality of things. So when you hug a loved one, really tune into that warmth of the hug and feel your body relax into it. Or when you lie in bed, feel how your muscles let go of the tension and relax into the mattress. When you're in nature, smell the different scents around you and notice how it makes you feel. Noticing things in this physical way is far more powerful than just saying, "I'm grateful for." The great thing about this is that it's also very easy to include it in your everyday life. Practicing gratitude doesn't have to be hard. So I hope that with the help of these tips, you can enjoy implementing a gratitude practice that you actually look forward to. Now, say to yourself or speak it out loud, "Today I choose to notice all the things that make me feel good." Noticing them means valuing them, and there is much that I value in my life. Once again, today I choose to notice all the things that make me feel good. Noticing them means valuing them, and there is much that I value in my life. Well done, you've completed the first part of your daily dare. Now let's do a short guided visualization to help you feel more empowered and centered within yourself. So closing your eyes, sitting or lying down, take a deep breath in. Hold and release. Once again, breathing in. Hold and release. Allow yourself to feel the weight of your body pressing down. Notice the different points of contact. Notice any sounds around you. And gently focus your attention on the natural rhythm of your breath. I know it can be difficult to see something positive in your experience with anxiety, let alone be grateful for it. That's understandable. And yet today, I want to invite you to take a step back, to see the bigger picture. And from that distant view, allow yourself to also acknowledge that this experience might have taught you something. So imagine you're sitting in a beautiful spot in a meadow under a tree, reflecting on your experience with anxiety. And ask yourself, what have you learned so far from this experience? Is there anything you've gotten better at? In which ways did you grow that maybe you wouldn't have if anxiety had never showed up in your life? Maybe you've learned to take better care of yourself. Maybe you have more empathy for others. Maybe you've proven to yourself that you're much stronger than you think. Whatever it is, allow yourself to feel this for the next short moment. It doesn't matter if it's just a small thing you're grateful for, or one single thing that you've learned. Giving gratitude to what has caused you so much pain is a great achievement. It means you get in touch with the wiser, more grounded you. This connection with your true self will help carry you through recovery to heal faster. So be proud of yourself. Let's finish this exercise with another deep breath in. Hold and release. Once again, breathing in. Hold and release. And now we're going to count down from 5. And I want you to really let go of any stress or tension that you might be holding on to in your mind or body. And ever so gently relax into the awareness that you are your own safe person. And that in this very moment, you're looked after and deeply cared for. Relaxing into that awareness now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You've completed your daily dare.